order to liberate my country.
But what can you do? I mean, do you know how to
I will
fire a
take
gun?
my gun and go now to the front, unless I will liberate my country.
And what about the rest of the people here?
Oh, no.